Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me share with you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on the display. Here we have to tap on screen timeout, so let's enter, and as you can see here we've got some timeout options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now we've got 1 minute applied. This option is marked, so in order to change it, all we have to do is to simply tap on the one you would like to set. So I will pick, for example, 10 minutes, and as you can see it is notified right here, so it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.